What up, Mac?
What's up?
Fresh na fresh from the birthday weekend niya. Okay.
Aling sa biyahe.
Una ka, Mac.
Okay, let's go. Sarap ng panahon ngayon eh.
Ano bang weather? Siguro mga 80s, no? High 80?
80 siguro. Mid 80 siguro. Pero masarap yung hangin kasi.
80 na ano? 80 na walang araw. Perfect yan.
Oo, sakto to. Kahit naka-jacket, okay lang.
That's right. Magaan yung hatak ng motor mo.
Gumang ba? Ewan ko.
Slim boy, look at that. Woo!
Gumang ng konti. Random yan, random. GTP is out tonight.
That's right. Soon.
Si Pogi.
Sabi mo sa outlet eh. So doon na lang natin siya puntahan para sure. Maraming mga bagong naka-Vespa sa DJ DLS Riders.
Di ako nakakapanood talaga ng YouTube. Ang laman na cellphone ko ngayon, puro pickle ball eh. Di pa sa YouTube, puro reels lang.
Iba na ang budol. So yeah, congrats natin yung mga nakabagong Vespa dyan.
Congrats guys.
Alam ko si Lloyd kumuha.
Talaga? Ano kilo Lloyd?
Naka-ano na siya, naka-prima na siya.
Okay.
Tapos yung si Moto Gadget, kinuha niya yung isang Primavera ng isang ka-ride nila na kumuha ng 300. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Si Alpha ata yun o si Philip, hindi ko alam eh.
Shoutout guys.
Pero so tatlo silang nakabagong Vespa doon.
Naman, muulan na naman ng Vespa.
I know.
May bagong virus ba?
Si Johnny daw, ano daw eh, naiintindihan na raw niya yung feeling na naka 300.
Alam na. alam na this.
So 20,000 subscribers, let's go.
Let's go. Ilan na ba ngayon? Nag-19 na ba? Nag-19K na?
Nasa 19 plus na siya, I think.
Malapit na yan.
Malapit na yan. Kayang-kaya ni Johnny.
E300 na yan.
300 tapos naka top box. Ready for Baguio yun, boy.
Let's go. Kahit di ako samahin sa top box, kung magkaka 300 ka, lagyan mo top box, okay lang.
Kahit ano pa, kahit lagyan mo pa ng side panniers. Kahit mag sidecar ka pa.
Pwede. Tulo, no?
Alin? Dumadamba na ba? Nag-weight reduction.
At least 10 pounds rider yan.
Nag-weight reduction eh. Hindi yung motor yung rider. Maganda panahon doon. Lalo na siguro sa ano, no? Doon sa taas. Malamig doon.
Sa Flagstaff kanina 72.
Parang ano yun eh, parang Mount Charleston yun eh.
Kahit sa Sedona kanina, okay weather. Kasi overcast, walang araw. Tapos malamig yung simoy.
Tapos inulan pa kayo.
Inulan pa. Goods na goods. Pero nakapag-pigil ball kami kanina, build the best doon. May kalaro kayo or kayong dalawa lang? Mga matatanda doon, nung una, parang alanganin pa sila makapaglaro eh. Kasi beginner nga eh, di ba? So nakipaglaro naman siya ng 2 games, tapos ayaw na nila.
Sinibak nyo o sinibak kayo?
Hindi. Nag-split kami kasi nga, di ba, ano?
Okay.
Nag-split kami kasi mga beginner, eh sila may mga experience. So naghati kami ni Mike ng ano.
Pero magaling talaga. Magaling sila.
Marunong, pero kung tayo yun, kaya sumabay. I think kahit pa paano, makakasabay tayo. So antayin natin si Pogi.
Waiting.
Let's go.
Okay, dok.
Really?
What's up, what's up? Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go. Medyo malayo ride natin tonight. Anthem daw eh. Let's go.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I should have worn my jacket.
Pogi's t-shirt gaming.
Dito tayo sa outlet. Ito yung outlet na pinagsha-shoppingan ng madlang people.
Chill. Wag kang galit.
Huwag kang galit.
Kang galing.
Chill ride lang tayo. Chill ride.
Chill ride.
Let's enjoy the weather.
Circus, circus. Is it true that they're gonna knock down Circus Circus too?
I'm sure they will. I mean, it's overdue.
It's old.
Yeah.
That kind of sucks.
Why, you like Circus Circus? You don't even go there.
Used to. I haven't been there because of COVID.
Damn, COVID was 4 years ago, man.
No, it's not.
Yeah?
Well, yeah. 2020, man.
Hey, when the DJ DLS crew gets here, we're gonna take him here to Sapphires. Yay! Ang dami. There's a lot of Barbie dolls there, guys. It's like the library of Barbie dolls.
A little bit of touchy.
Touchy. Or we can go here on the right side. Deja Vu. You like Deja Vu, guys? Right there.
No,
huh?
not deja vu.
Why?
Deja vu.
You got experience with Deja Vu?
Unless it's in San Francisco. San Francisco got the nice one.
Fucking Pogi knows.
Yeah, I got the shower and champagne, you know what I'm saying? Hey, are you gonna get the GoPro 13 when it comes out?
I don't know. I'm okay for now with the 11s.
They say it's gonna come out next month.
Yeah. Even DJI Action 5 is coming out next month.
Action 5?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I told you.
I'll get that next then.
Damn, baller.
No. Maybe the sound quality might get better.
Hopefully. We're on the other side of the strip now, guys.
Oh, fuck. Traffic.
Navigate through it.
Oh, it gets tight in here.
Getting tight?
It's
Getting tight, bro.
How tight is?
Oh, that's a left turn, bro.
We good.
Send it. Go Pogi.
Okay, go. Yeah. Go straight.
Oh, shit. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, no.
Fucking bitch.
Okay, go to the left.
Relax. I got you, man. I got you.
Counterflow, boys.
Malubong na bisikleta eh. Sa lubong tayo dito. Utang
You guys are probably all pissed off at us.
Counterflow, baby. Oh no, it's all. It's one way. There's buses here. We got all the way in the front. Let's go. Oh damn! What event is there? Is there a game or something?
Probably.
Oh yeah, 49ers and Raiders. Niners.
That's why. We Gucci now. Oh, here. Stay in the middle, we're good.
Go
Stay
Pogs,
there.
go Pogs.
They closed this if there's an event. Didn't know that. Now I know.
So it's only one way.
It's only one way. It's a bus, man.
Go Pogs, go Pogs, go Pogs. This one, Hustler. We can take the DJ DLS boys here. Hustler.
Yeah, locals free.
Locals free. Woohoo!
Locals free, eh?
Yeah.
So what? How do we go out there? We have to make a U-turn, I guess.
Ouch.
Lean it, Pogi. Lean it, Pogi. I'm right behind you, Pogi. Yeah. You see that, guys? It's the moving billboard, 3D. Oh, I'm green, baby. Now we are at the airport. That's the strip right there, guys. Now we're heading on the east side of Las Vegas Boulevard. Damn, Pogi, t-shirt gaming, man.
I didn't know we were going this far. I thought we were just going to Hot Ass Plaza, you know what I'm saying?
Hot Ass Plaza.
Now you're making my nipples get hard.
Stupid.
The worst part is, I've got any gloves on.
Oh man, I got extra gloves here.
I got it under my seat.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Wow. Wow, Pogi, wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Tarbuko.
Oh, they even have Pho Saigon here.
Yeah, but you ate dinner already, huh?
Yeah. Why, you hungry?
Oh, you hungry?
No, I'm good.
Sending a video message to Johnny.
Alright. Tapos na tayong mag-Starbucks.
Thank you sa Starbucks, Omar TV.
Thank you. Oh, look, Jollibee.
There's Jollibee here?
Yeah.
I know.
Central Eastern.
Jollibee. Hey Pogi, you rode with us here before, right? With the Grom?
With the Grom, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the night I got pulled over.
Oh shit,
You
really?
got pulled over?
Yeah. Remember we were showing Carlos girl how to ride?
Oh yeah.
And then I got caught jumping the curb. And then that cop was like, "You're too old to be riding this."
Bro, that's almost 10 years ago too, man. That's 9 years ago. They already
2015, no?
Yeah, they already called you old back then. Damn.
CVS? No. Yep, then.
Here? Oh shit. Bitch.
I told you the next light.
There's no light. I was looking for it. We're gonna have to bust a Yui. Where do you go out from here?
I don't know.
Oh.
We can figure it out if you want.
Probably St. Rose again on the bottom part.
Kaya pag sumasagot tong motor natin nag-check engine.
Enough. Sabi niya tama na.
Ilaw na naman siya lahat eh.
Sana pag ni-restart mo matanggal.
Hindi natin. Anong bar yung gas ko?
Ako 1 bar. Dito ka, Mac. Ako magagas yan.
Yeah.
What's up, boo-boo?
Oh no, it's still there. It's just like, still 4.
It's still 4.
Kaya apat pa.
Okay, we gotta take this off. Iwas.
Gas mo tayo.
Bubble ba? Ooh! Pinaapo ko yun para ano, pumasok sa serye. Oh shit.
Sorry.
Sagad, sagad.
Ito hindi hanggang leeg to, Brad. Hanggang ano to?
Ngala-ngala.
Hanggang bagang to. What's up, folks?
What's up? What's up?
Alright, alright, alright. We're back. We're going home. We are very far. The funny thing is, in less than 9 hours, we're gonna be here again. Yo!
What's up, Drifter?
I still want a Z, but I think I'm only gonna want it for like 1 year, and then I'm like, eh.
Yeah, but if you get a convertible.
No, hell no, bro. I hate convertibles.
I want a convertible. I never had one.
I rented one in Hawaii. It's the biggest mistake I've done. Yeah, I hated that shit. I had it for 1 day and I was there for 4 days. I returned it and got an SUV.
Signal.
No, I don't.
Right, folks. Later.
Good night. Good night. Ride safe.
You're gonna text us first. You're gonna get home quicker.
No way.
Kaliwa ka na dito, Mike.
Okay.
Ingat.
Salamat.
Bye-bye.
Ingat. Text ka pag uwi mo. Well, baka mauna
Yes,
ako.
sir. Una ka for sure. May vlog na naman tayo, guys.
Yes, sir. Paano kaya natin to i-edit? Mukhang mahaba-habang segments to eh.
Ba to? Sana. Panoorin nyo na lang.
Yep. Okay daw.
Ingat.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, malapit na tayo sa neighborhood natin. So, hindi na ako makapagsalita kanina kasi feeling ko sobrang lakas ng hangin na sinasalubong ko. Biglang naging windy. Sa tingin ko kaya biglang bumaksak yung temperature namin sa Vegas dahil dito sa wind na to. Baka mas malakas pa yung hangin na darating in the next couple of days. So anyways, thanks for coming with us tonight sa aming gala. Nakarating kami sa Anthem. That's on the south side of the strip or south side ng town. Alright guys, we are finally home. Thank you for coming with us tonight. Nakagala tayo ng using our Vespa. Kasama natin si Pogi and si Omar TV. Alright, so that's it for me tonight. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you again. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace. See you in the next one.